Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Prism Planner, and today I'm going to be planning the month of January for 2019. Yay! Happy New Year, everyone. The kit I'm going to be using is this beautiful kit by Cozy Paper Co. This is actually her first monthly kit for the Erin Condren, so I'm so excited to be using it. I did choose the gold foil. You can choose your foil. I usually choose like silver foil for like wintry kits because it like reminds me of snow and icicles and stuff, but like, I don't know, I was getting sick of all the silver, and I usually don't like silver for anything except for winter and Christmas. So I was like, I want to bring back my gold. So, so I chose to go with gold, and I'm happy. I like the gold and the green and gold and pink. Yeah. So anyways, I love this kit, especially because pink's my favorite color, and I really love the vibes of like frosted cranberries and like evergreens with snow on them. So I am definitely like a woodsy person. I really love camping. I love the outdoors. I love to the mountains, the forest, and I love the like smell of like woodsy scents, you know? So like whenever I get like candles from Bath and Body Works, I always get like winter woods and like fresh balsam and all the like, you know, like woodsy scented ones. I don't know, they're just my favorite. So the vibes I get from this kit as well are just like everything. So anyways, I'm going to start with putting the frosted cranberries at the top. It's for Sunday, Monday, because those 2 days are like the days of December, like that's 30th and the 31st. So I'm just going to cover that. And then I'm going to white out January because it is a little bold and dark. So I just didn't want to show through the sticker. And then I just laid down that piece that says January. And then I'm going to lay down this piece that's the other half that says 2019. And I try to use that like little weird, like bluish colored, little, I don't know, rectangle, kind of like for my alignment. And then I lift it up and then like white it out because you can kind of see underneath it a little bit since, it is like a bold color and it's just like white right there. So I do lift it up and then white it out. By the way, links to this, any shops I use, as well as the tools I use, like that whiteout and whatnot, are in the description box down below. So check there if you'd like to, save any money or just buy whatever I'm using or whatever. And then I'm going to use the 4 checklists for my sidebar. And I use this section for bills. So I used to use like the bill dues that come in, the monthly kits. But like, I don't know, I have so much other stuff going on with the month, like with like, I don't know, birthdays and holidays and like doctor's appointments and just like upcoming like things or whatever. So, it gets kind of muddled and it gets kind of hard for me to see. And I want to notice ahead of time sometimes like when bills are coming up and like what paychecks I'm going to need to pay those bills with and whatever, and it was getting, I was just kind of getting like lost in the like whole like jumble of everything in the month. So, so I decided to like start doing all the lists for all my bills. I don't fill up like all 4 checklists, thankfully, but yeah, I just like write the date and then what's due. So far it's kind of been pretty much working. But if it doesn't, I'll eventually figure something out and change it. So we'll see. And then I'm going to cover up the 1st and 2nd of February with this pretty double box that's got the like girl holding the, little fir trees or fir branches or whatever, evergreen, I don't know what it is, with snow. So, yeah, and then, what was I going to say? Yes, I use that for my bills. Oh, so yeah, I don't use that for like my like monthly to-dos or like monthly goals or like, like that kind of stuff or whatever. I don't know, just because, like I keep in my personal planner, like monthly to-dos for like cleaning or just like things I have to do every month. And, yeah, like goals, I don't know, goals are kind of in my personal planner too. I don't know. So I just use it for bills. So anyway, and then I'm going to lay down the New Year's Day sticker that comes in the kit. And then next to that, I had a dentist appointment on the 2nd. And I say had because they had to cancel it, unfortunately, because they like said they verified with my insurance that like I have to go to a different dentist. So I was really annoyed with that. Like, I mean, I understand. I was happy that they called, like, so I'm not like surprised when I get there. But I'm just annoyed because it's like, I don't know. I hate it when insurance companies like make you like go to certain like, I don't know, like basically what they did was they defaulted me a dentist and I have to call them to like change it, you know, if I want to change it, which is just annoying. Like, can I just go to a freaking dentist, please? Like, I don't want to make phone calls. Anyway, sorry. So that was for my dentist appointment. And then that dental like tooth sticker was from the Sticker Genie. And then the not half box, appointment label. I don't know what it is. The box on the 7th is to mark a doctor's appointment, as well as the box on the 15th. I use those boxes that have the little sparkly confettis on the left side for my doctor's appointments this month, like, or my son's, because I figured it would be, I like the consistency, you know, like if it's a sparkly box, it's a doctor's appointment. So that's what I did. What is it? The 19th, that Saturday, I used a little cake icon from the kit and a kind of like half box, sort of thing to mark my, my bride's birthday / bridal shower party. And then on the 26th is her wedding and I'm going to be a bridesmaid. So I used, the blue half box with a pretty bow that comes in the kit as well. Oh, and I marked Martin Luther King on the 21st. I'm getting behind. Sorry. Because it's Martin Luther King on the 21st. It's also my mother's birthday. So that's what that half box is for. And I'm using another little cake icon from the kit, because the 21st is my mother's birthday. So the 21st is a pretty busy day because I forgot I later on added a no school sticker because it's Martin Luther King, so there's no school. And then I found out Go Wild tickets go on sale on the 21st. So there's just like no room for the 21st. I just ended up, not in this plan with me, putting like a little box on the 22nd with an arrow pointing and it says Go Wild tickets go on sale. So anyways, I do plan on going wild since it is in Vegas. So it's going to be cheapest for me, obviously, instead of flying somewhere and getting a hotel. Might as well go when it's in my city. Anyway, then on the 4th, we have another doctor appointment for my son. So I'm going to, use the sparkly one. And then these vacation strips, I mean, I guess that's what you call them. They're like strips of washi. They're going from the 11th through the 13th is to mark Dasha Sun Designs in the pink planner sale, which is like a new group sale. And so I used to PR for Dasha Sun Designs, but her fall term ended. It's, no longer fall. So unfortunately I don't anymore, but I still love her shop. She's an amazing shop owner and I still highly recommend her shop. She's gorgeous foil and gorgeous premium matte. So anyways, I'm excited for her sale and for her shop, and she's having a baby. She just announced the baby's due in July. I'm so happy for Chelsea. Anyway, that's what that's for. Also, I found out that the kit has a sticker that says National Sticker Day. So how fun is that? That is on the 13th of January. So I put that down as well. So gonna have to buy some stickers because it's National Sticker Day. Hey. So then I'm just going to use these full boxes that came in the kit. There's 3 of them. There's the cranberry one, and then there's the girl holding the branches. So I kind of put the girl holding branches at the top and then the cranberry one at the bottom because I didn't want them next to each other and, next to those double boxes. And then the third one is some more branches. So I just put that all the way on the left side. I kind of like to, spread them around and fill up the spread or whatever. And then I'm going to put these adorable little date dots that are these beautiful pink gold, pink and gold foil date dots. I'm not going to show you guys all of that though. So I'm just showing you this is what I'm doing. And then, I'm going to, get out of there and show you. Here's basically the final spread. I have to still fill in my, bill-dos. And then there's actually a couple bill-dos that, I forgot to add, cause I do it chronologically. So I ended up just using a couple bill-dos in the actual kit. So whatever. Anyways, we're going to do something a little different today. And I'm also going to plan my January notes page. So usually I do plan this every month, but I kind of do it off camera because it's kind of boring. I used to just do a big old long list of stuff to do for my son, the day and the time and where it is. And then that way, when I plan my weekly, I don't have to do as much digging for fun stuff to do. I can just refer to this and be oh, is there anything going on this day? Oh, there is. Let's go to it. And then of course I track my anxiety and I track my following. But I wanted to try something a little new for 2019 since I completely didn't do anything with my December notes. It was just a bad month. I didn't do anything. I was sick for this second half of the year anyway, so whatever. So yeah, so I'm using some of the stickers in the back of the Erin Condren. It comes with, I think it's 4 pages of some pretty foiled stickers. A couple of them are functional. Well, 3 of them are functional. And then there's one that's kind of a, get fit, be healthy, kind of a theme to it. So on the bottom, I'm still going to do my anxiety and my following, my Instagram and YouTube. And so, yeah, so I'm using that like pointy, what is this thing? It kind of looks like a habit tracker, but it's got the point at the bottom, to just put like, I'm going to write anxiety in there. And then I'm looking for something for my like followers. And I use one of these like, kind of pointy flags with a heart, because, you know, like I figured, you know, when you like a video or like you like an Instagram photo, you know, there's like the little heart, or I think for YouTube it's a thumbs up, but whatever. That kind of made sense to me. So yeah, so I do track my, I try to remember to track my anxiety on a 1 to 5 scale every day. And, just to, you know, just to like see if, there's certain days where it gets really bad. Maybe I can find out why, you know, is there certain just like months overall where it's really bad? Like, you know, I can find out like, oh, like that's not a good month for me. I don't know. So yeah, it's more just like informational for me, just to see if I can get anything from it. So yeah, so I just make a tiny little calendar and I X out the days that are, you know, like I said, in December and like at the bottom of February. And I just write Sunday through Saturday and kind of sort of faux hand lettered the word anxiety. I just kind of, you know, like bolded the like downstrokes, basically kind of like if it was calligraphy. And I'm just using my, what am I trying to say? I'm just using my Erin Condren ruler to try to get straight lines. I don't know why I took it all the way to the bottom, because I don't know. Once I counted it, I knew there was 5 weeks, and I was like, oh wait, that's 6 lines. So anyway, that was weird, and so I just decided I would put some washi at the bottom, and then I'm going to use Simply Gilded washi. It is one of the words tapes. It's got, I think it's called self-care, so I thought it was really appropriate. And it says words like meditate, hydrate, breathe, me time, relax, plan, work out. I think that's it. And just goes over and over. And it's got this really pretty, like watercolory pink and blue and purple. It's so pretty. I love this. I just wish it was hollow instead of silver, but like whatever. Beggars can't be choosers. So anyways, that's what I've got going on at the bottom of the day. And then I'm using this little flag from Rose Colored Days. And it's in hollow foil and it says January. So I'm just going to cover up that flag in the corner. That sheet is actually from like an Oops grab bag I got a long time ago. And I'm not sure what it's for, because I don't think I've ever seen anybody use this, but it was in the grab bag, and I thought, first of all, they'd be perfect for like my personal planner, but I kind of stopped using it, you know, to plan monthly and weekly. So I don't know. I just started using it in my Erin Condren. So there's a close up of the pretty word washi for you. Put them at the top as well. And then there was kind of a glimpse of one of my other months where I told you I used to make a long list of just like fun things to do. So then I'm just going to go ahead and write, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, and then IG and YouTube. So, you know, I can keep track of my numbers, and, I will actually be shortly having a 1,000 follower giveaway for Instagram. As you can see, oh wait, no, I didn't write the number in. Well, as you can see, if you go to my Instagram, I am a little bit past 1,000. So this is an overdue giveaway, but if you would like to enter, go ahead and follow me over there on Instagram. And then when I post the giveaway, which is really soon, cause I've already taken the pictures of everything. I just gotta, get the rules all together and everything. Then you can enter. So anyway, I'm just going to use some of the like New Year's Eve themed stickers from the Me and My Big Ideas Mambi sticker book. These are 2 sticker books I'm using. One of them is the Holidays book from 2018, and the other one is like Memories or something from 2018. It's just kind of like more scrapbooky, but there was like some holiday stuff in it too. So I got both of those. So yeah, I grabbed some of the asterisks from the back of the planner, and I used the resolutions sticker because I wanted to write down a few resolutions. I don't usually do resolutions, but I thought, you know, if I don't have some kind of goal that I'm working towards, some kind of project, then, you know, and I have nothing to keep myself accountable for, because I'm not like putting it out there into the world that like, this is what I want to achieve. So I'm gonna kind of try it this year. I just usually have never made resolutions before because like I just always disappointed myself, and not didn't do them. So I'm gonna hope it's maybe a little different this year and I won't disappoint myself. Anyways, and then I'm just using some of the fireworks from the kit. I'm sorry, not the kit, from the sticker book. And some of the confetti too, just to make it look cute and pretty. And then I turned that one up at the top into a flag because it kind of kept lifting on the left side. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do, and hopefully it'll work out. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.